This is it. So yes, my people, we out in our numbers this morning, back at it again, another day. You know, we're there from early, 7 o'clock start. It's just 6:30, we have half hour left to start. You know, see every man have a ladder. And the next half an hour we are going to join in a row and kick off the work, my people. Yeah, man. So yes, my people, welcome back to Canada. Life of a farm worker, you know. Back at it again once more. This morning at the morning, we are going to start first day on the job since arriving in Canada, you know. Yeah, man, so we're going to start off with some apple tinning, my people. Yeah, man, as you can see, lots of apple in the background, guys. So, you know, but we have to do what we have to do, my people. So, we just want to stay tuned and see if we can learn something from this video. Especially you as new farm worker who is so anxious to travel to Canada. Yeah, man. This video is for you especially. Another day on the job. We are outside this morning about to start some apple tinning, guys. And so I go on apple like trouble pan tree, you know. So you know we have to do some tinning this morning. Tin out the apple. I call it single them out, people. So that's how we are going to go on with this morning, you know. See it. Active. Back on here again another day. Welcome back to Canada. It's been over 6 months, you know. Do some work like this, you know, my people, but you know, experience. What you know, can't come out of your brain. So we're there back on the job another morning, guys. Man, about to put in some work. The thing is now, my people, so much apple on the tree. So you know, a row like this would normally take we 1 hour to finish. To do the lower section and then ride the ladder and do the top. It's going to take we over 2 hours. Because so many apples on the tree them, you know, my people. So many. And this is ambrosia. You know. Yeah, man. Line up in the road, you know, my people. Back at it again. Another day. Jerky. That is it, my people. Yeah, man. So I go on. Man, them a line up in them room.
How much you making up? Me not listen. Man more a man, you know that too. Yeah, I come from farm. You know some money? I know, but right now, the thing that I feel like so that money. I mean, I feel like the money will take back in a business. So that money. You can't see money. Money was phone. Right now! I'm going to put on the table 100,000. Up in the 100. What's that? You don't pick me here. The thing. Don't simple. I don't got food. Right now. Here, top 10. Right now, let's pick me. I got it. Yeah. Yeah, go back. You have been doing 200,000 a month. And you're picking the stuff on here.
Why my people? Son of beat with bad out here. Wicked. Wicked my people. You read that? But they are same way I put in your work my people. You know, them say if you want good your nose have to run. So nose not run but we are sweat.
These are what things, you know? 4 inches apart.
Look for apple. Apple for days, my people. Think I waste them a waste. If we not pick them off, all of the apple are going to stay small. I look on the amount still up on the tree. We have to space them out. See what I go on. Man. See how we single them out here now. See how far them there from one another. Yeah man, that's how we have to do them. If we don't do them so, them now go come big. See how far them there from one another. See it? So it have to be done. Yeah man.
Let's get the evil brother. Club container where you fill off a box. Them and then nobody to them and then but him and then just no man no serious brother. Cause right now we have our youth born with the hospital. We're born premature. Any man see my movie shaky brother. Me I say yo dog. I don't know what me I say. So let me down, man. You know how long we are watching you? You know, Campbell? Yeah. You know how long we are watching you, boys? No. Yes, you and Campbell.
Yeah.
No. That's the end I move. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo. How much was that much done? Yeah? Come here, take a look, coffee bite. You know, that's coffee when you buy it. Yeah, rib bite. Yeah, rib bite. We don't see that in smoke house. Chip out the muffler. Alrighty. Just time you want to go. We are chop you.
Yes, my people. Rough. Finally the sun cool down. But we still there outside putting some work. Don't see. They space some apple, or in other words call it apple tinning. You know? Yeah man, it was a hard, rough and hot day. People, but we still pull through. We make it out alive, so we just want to give God thanks, you know, for bring us through. And we journey from Jamaica to Canada, you know. Yeah man, working for your cost. And I want to send a deep condolence to the family of the two Jamaican from America who lost their life in Toronto, you know. It's sad, you know, because it could happen to any one of us, my people, because all of we there, so we can't tell what going to happen, you know. We have to just go out there each day and try to protect ourselves at all times, you know. But like I said, condolence